this sliver, which all of us would suffer with, is not doing particularly well. And even Google last week said, hey, you debate, some of you saying, I want to really write for the machine. I want to chunk up my content to optimize for the context window. And Danny Sullivan was like, don't do that. You write for humans. Like, if that works for you for a minute, it's not going to work for long. We're going to make it not work. Ultimately, you are trying to persuade a human and you want to pull your message through on the LLM, which is great. But it also means the content machine is super voracious and it wants to be fed a lot. 95% of ChatGPT citations were updated in the last 10 months. So we got to create original, valuable content and update it regularly. There's a lot to do there. We tried this, Vivian tried this, and the results actually were pretty great. She happened to use a tool called AirOps to 5x the speed of updating content. That content, over the course of a couple of months, got 42% more traffic. Amazing. The traffic converted better, 14% better. I mean, what's not to love? Like, you get more and it converts better, that usually should go together.